To get the basic bow arm motion, we want to think about our elbow opening and closing like a door hinge. So we're going to take our left hand, 2 fingers here, put it right here on the opposite side of our elbow, and just open and close the door. Another thing we can do is take our left arm out and scrub it, opening and closing our elbow door hinge. To be more flexible with our bow arm, we want to also involve our wrist. So practice pretend you're flicking water off your fingers or throwing a ball. Notice that your wrist gets floppy. So we're going to take a toilet paper roll, put it on our shoulder, put our bowl in here, form our perfect bow hold, and practice that slow motion flicking or ball throwing. Notice we're doing more in the middle to lower half of our bow. Out here, it's mostly elbow opening door hinge. Remember to keep that perfect bow hold. Let's transfer those ideas to the violin. So let's play in the upper half. Think about our elbow opening and closing. While playing the lower half, let's do a little bit of practice to get our wrists flexible first. So just go back and forth, bending and straightening your wrist. Don't make any sound. Now, exaggerate that. That's not how you're going to play, but that gets you more flexible in your wrist. Now let's put that all together. So if we're going to play a full bow, we kind of have to use all of those ideas. When we're at the very frog, our wrist is more bent. And then we begin to straighten out and open up our elbow more. So you can think about the shape, even though it's going straight here, the shape is more of a banana shape. Tricky to actually get your bow to go straight. So what you can do is a couple of things. This is a little bit tricky to do, but take your left hand, hold it out at the tip, be careful, and then now you have the path of your bow, because this is a straight bow now right in the middle, and I'm going to keep my bow hold and go up and down. Another thing you can do is just glue your eyes to the spot where you want your bow to go the whole time. So, right in between the bridge and fingerboard. So I'm going to watch carefully. So even though I may not be thinking about my wrist, it has to bend in order to keep it in that same spot. Let's talk about the physics of the bow for a second. So, when you're in the middle between the bridge and the fingerboard, you're going to need to use medium speed and medium weight. When you're closer to the fingerboard, you're going to need to use faster speed and lighter weight. When you're closer to the bridge, you're going to have to use slower speed and heavier weight.